the LG V20 user here, and today I am will be unboxing the LG Stylo 5 for Boost Mobile. So this is my mom's phone right here. She upgraded from the Stylo 3 for Boost, and so this is what the box looks like. You guys have your standard Boost Mobile box. You guys have Boost Mobile unlimited data, talk, and text. There's the front with the stylus pen. You guys have your specs there with 6.2-inch Full HD plus display, which is 18 by 9. 30 gigabytes of RAM, 3 gigabytes of RAM, 13 megapixel main camera, and a 5 megapixel wide angle front facing camera, and 1.8 GHz octa-core processor. And then on the back of the Stylo 5 box, you guys have more specs. Like I said, 6.2-inch Full HD plus display, 3500 mAh battery, 21 hours of talk time, 13 megapixel main camera, and 5 megapixel front camera. Fingerprint sensor, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 3 gigabytes of RAM, Android LS, which has Android Pie, S4G LTE with 2 times 20 carrier aggression, HUPE, and of course you guys know what to do: pick up plan, activate, and payment. So this also comes in this little box here. So your nice looking box there. So that's the phone. You guys have front of the phone. You have a front facing camera right here, earpiece, power button on the right side. It has this little it has like this little silver trim around it. It's plastic, I believe. On the left side, you got your volume keys and your SIM card, and you have your SIM card tray there with a micro SD card tray right here as well. You're on the back of the phone. You guys have a camera flash, fingerprint sensor, and your LG logo. On the back of the phone, you guys have microphone, headphone jack, Type-C charging port, and speaker. Also, in the box, you guys have your wall adapter, which is not fast charging or nothing like that. Your Type-C cable right here. SIM tool, and your manuals and stuff right here in the box. So yeah, that's the phone right there. I will have to set this up, so I'll be right back. Alright, hang on. So now the phone has finally been set up and everything. So yeah, this is what the lock screen looks like. Nice looking wallpaper there. You guys have your shortcuts to your camera and your phone. You have Sprint on top there. Y'all guys see that? It says Sprint on top of it, which is kind of interesting. So we unlock this. That's what the home screen looks like. That's what the home screen looks like. You have Facebook installed and everything, quick memory and all that good stuff. I'm gonna cut the light off. I'm gonna cut the flash off now, so y'all guys can see it better. So this is the home screen here. Your notification panel right here. Brightness on there. If you guys can see that. You guys got your quick settings there. You got capture plus Wi-Fi and sound and Bluetooth and rotation and stuff like that. Also has DTS:X 3 surround sound there. You got the settings. You guys have your settings for airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, tethering and stuff like that. VPN and stuff like that. You have your sound there. Display. General there, you got your lock screen security, apps and notifications, battery. That's the battery right there. Does not have fast charge on this, no fast charging on this. You have your account, storage on this phone about out of 32 gigs, 13.77 gigabytes is in use. So you get about 16.23 gigabytes available to you to use the phone. You do have a micro SD card to use. So use that on this phone. So you get about 16 gigabytes to use. Google, you have smart cleaning gaming tool, the dual app thing, which is pretty cool. Shortcuts, pen, free stylus. Nikon, system updates, date and time memory, backup, restart, reset, about phone. About phone, got your phone there, Stylo 5, software, Android version 9 with July 1st, 2019 security patch. You tap on this, and y'all guys will get that. So, yeah, there you guys have it, the LG Stylo 5 unboxing after boost. Nice looking phone. Nice looking phone, This one does look very nice in person. It looks a lot, it looks very nice. So, yeah, there you guys have it. LG Stylo 5 Boost Mobile unboxing that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.